Here is how to use a free Celtic Cross tarot spread for a complex decision. The Celtic Cross uses 10 cards. Together, they explore the present situation, the main challenge, the root cause, the recent past, your conscious goal, the near future, your approach, outside influences, hopes and fears, and the likely outcome. Start with one focused question. A useful question is, what should I understand before making this career decision? This keeps the reading reflective and specific, without asking tarot to replace professional advice. Destin AI draws 10 unique cards from the complete 78-card Rider-Waite-Smith deck. Each card may appear upright or reversed, and its meaning changes according to its position in the spread. Begin with cards 1 and 2. They describe the present situation and the force that supports or crosses it. Then connect cards 3 through 6 as a timeline, root cause, recent past, conscious goal, and near future. Finally, read the 4-card staff. It compares your approach with outside pressure, emotional expectations, and the likely direction if the current pattern continues. Do not treat the cards as 10 unrelated predictions. Look for repeated themes, tensions, and one practical next step. You can open the full meaning of any card for upright, reversed, love, career, and yes or no context. Try the free Celtic Cross Tarot spread at destina.me. Use it for reflection, clearer questions, and a more grounded next step.